Hey guys, Zach, the Entrepreneur here. I'm so excited to share this information with you. Look, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to Facebook, click the notification so you get a notification on your Facebook. If you haven't wrote a review or you haven't recommended me on Facebook yet, please do that. That would be great. But hey, this video is for all the people who signed up to receive my free scheduling funnel, okay? Or these are for people who paid our marketing company to build them a sales funnel to schedule appointments. Okay, these are for people who use Facebook and would like to use Facebook to schedule more appointments. Okay, now the information I'm going to share is going to be very simple. However, because it's so simple, a lot of you guys are going to miss it. Because I had a mentor that used to tell me what's simple to do is also simple not to do. Now, for instance, an apple a day keeps a doctor away. Now, if that is true, how come you didn't eat an apple today? Well, you might be saying to yourself, I did eat an apple. Well, you're one of the few, so congratulations. But what's simple to do is also simple not to do. So the simple 1, 2, 3 step process that I'm going to share with you right now is going to help you book 10 new appointments a week. Imagine your business booking 10 new appointments a week. Imagine if you're if you're a consultant, if you are providing a gym, personal trainer, if you're a marketer and you're providing services, imagine, okay, whatever your product or service is, okay, imagine if you booked 10 new appointments per week. Okay, now look, if you are like me, you're closing anywhere from 30 to 50% of these booked appointments. So that's going to be anywhere from 3 to 5 new clients per week just by following this 1, 2, 3 simple step process. Now, if you want more information about our sales funnels or our marketing strategies, please subscribe to this channel. I'll always be posting some good information, but also go ahead and check out A2Z123marketing.com, and you can see all our marketing services on there. If you're interested as an entrepreneur on how you could build these marketing systems, go to wealthtraveler.com, and you could see how you could build these sales funnels. Okay, now check it out. Here we go. We're gonna introduce this concept. Nothing new is under the sun, okay? But it's something that I want you to look at a different way. I want you to oversimplify your business where you become successful. I had a mentor that used to say, keep it simple, okay? Keep it super simple. So this is gonna be so simple, and like I said, some of you guys are going to miss it. But here we go. Let's go ahead and introduce it to you. First off, how do you guys like my sweatshirt? If you like my sweatshirt, comment love the sweatshirt below. Okay, my wife doesn't really like it. She wants me to get rid of it, but I love it. It keeps me warm. I love Jesus, and it's kind of funny because you got Santa and Jesus on a bike. Check it out. Pretty cool. But anyways, here's the strategy. Now, pay close attention. You might miss it. Pay close attention. Very simple. Okay, some of you guys, it's so simple, you might miss it because some of you guys are not having success because you overcomplicate your business. Look, if you could simplify it, you could duplicate it. If you could duplicate it, you could scale your business. And the goal, remember, is not to work in your business, but to work on your business. And that way you could have that life that you've always wanted, the laptop lifestyle, as my friend Carlos would say. But here we go. Here's the 1, 2, 3 step to get 10 new appointments on Facebook every week. There it is. So simple. Book 10 new appointments per week using Facebook. The first step is pique their interest. Okay, write a post. Okay, write a post on Facebook that's going to pique your client's interest. Now, if you're having trouble with what's post is going to pique someone's interest, just think about this one thing. What does your clients want, and how can you provide the most value to them? Very simple. Okay, pique their interest. And then there's always a call to action on the pique the interest. Okay, you say, hey, if you're interested, let me know. Okay, so that's on the pique post. Now, number 2 is direct them to your scheduling funnel. Now, some people are trying to schedule. Okay, they're going to say, hey, I'm free on Wednesday. Are you free on Wednesday? You just need to use the sales funnel. Okay, use the sales funnel. Direct them to schedule an appointment using your link. Let them know. It's the easy way to see your schedule. Direct them to your scheduling funnel. You got to get used to directing people to your scheduling funnel. This will free up your time. This will free up your conversation. Okay, in sales, you need to take yourself out of the transaction. And this is the best way to do is direct them to a sales funnel, a scheduling sales funnel. Now, if you want my free scheduling sales funnel, I'll put a link below. You can download it completely for free, okay? And you can see what I'm talking about. But it's just an easy way for your clients to know who you are, raise credibility to you, and free up your time so you don't have to schedule all these appointments. They can look at their schedule, they can look at your schedule, and they can see when you're available. Use the scheduling funnel. Whatever you do, direct people to the scheduling funnel. Here's another reason why. When they go to the scheduling funnel, they enter their email address, they enter their contact information, and now you have captured that information to prospect or to market them, either an email campaign, text messaging campaign, but you have their pixel as well, okay? But you have the information you need to go ahead and market them and reach them in the future, okay? Now, some of you guys that I've had almost a dozen people get my scheduling funnel and are using my scheduling funnel. However, okay, I know there's a lot of people who are not using the scheduling funnel to the full potential. So I just wanted to share that with you. Direct people at all costs to the scheduling funnel. I'm with people sometimes in person, and I say, go to this link, because you could schedule your appointment with me or schedule your call or consultation with me using the scheduling funnel. So use that funnel. I'll put a link below. If you don't have one, I'll put a link below so you can have it absolutely free. And of course, if you want to schedule an appointment with me, I'll put that link as well down there and you can see my schedule. Now, number 3, okay, now this is going to be the one that's overlooked the most, and it's the follow-up. The fortune is in the follow-up. No matter how many times you tell people to schedule an appointment with you, you are still going to need to follow up. Now, I'll tell you, one of my pet peeves is when I have a professional salesperson tell me to schedule an appointment, but they don't show up. So make sure when you have your clients schedule an appointment that you show up on time, ready to service their needs. Service to many leads to greatness. Focus on how to service your clients, okay? How to free up your time, how to use these automated systems to free up your time, make more money, generate more leads, and have more freedom. But the fortune is in the follow-up. So remember, pique people's interest with the post on Facebook. Direct them, okay, to schedule a appointment with you using your schedule funnel. And then the third is follow-up. The fortune's in the follow-up. Now, if you like this information, please subscribe below. I'll always be posting more information, or share it. A blessing is not a blessing till you share this. So share this with somebody that you feel might benefit from this information. And if you want to schedule an appointment with me, there's links below. You can schedule an appointment with me, or if you want some of our marketing services, there's links below as well. Thank you guys so much. Please reach out to me, comment, question, concern. I want to serve your needs. I want to help you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. And you guys have a wonderful day. Take care.